She was born in the fire, found a way through the flames, and the burning inside her lights the way. She was built by the people, from the steel and the waves, and the land that she dreams from calls her name. Mind you and the galon, mind you and the galon, mind you and the galon. No, you're never gonna break her. No, you're never gonna make her lose sight of what she fights for. It's why she stays alive. But oh, she's never gonna let it go. Forever won't forget it. She's rising up from under, stronger. She's the sound of the siren, with the world at her feet. You can hear in the quiet the riot, the cry of a legacy. Mind you and the galore.